falling asleep? Were you falling asleep? Yeah, you were. You were falling asleep.
So what's till the camera came on?
Let the burp go. Can you let the burp go?
Where you going?
You want to snuggle? Are you ready to go to bed? Dog. Yep, that's dog. That's Rella. Are you going to have a New York accent? Is that dog? Dog? Hi. Was that bottle good? Ian.
He drank all 8 ounces with rice in it.
Is that bottle good? Oh, there goes a little burp. There goes another one.